we will see Java programming language. This will be the first class in Java programming language, the Java language. Here, let me give you an introduction to Java programming language. The topic is that here we will discuss the genesis of Java. Genesis is the history of the Java, the origin of the Java. You can say also the origin of the Java. Yeah. And this we will see. These are the things Java family. What are these Java family deals with this? And the Java families we are covering on. The first one is called the birth of the C language. Birth of the C language. Birth of the C language. And second is that introduction to C++. I can say that Java family C++. I can say why they are family, because they are associated in Java. All the structure, the syntax of this C++ language, the features of C++, features of C++ language, and then first of all let me discuss on that genesis of Java. Or I can say it like that. First go to the birth of the C language here. I must like to tell about that. This programming language, the evolution of this programming language begins from COBOL, Fortran, basic programming language. Almost all the early programs or programming languages were non-structured programming language. But with due time, that birth of the C language has took the place for the application development. Several applications has been developed in C, and let me tell you that C, the particularly C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie, and it is in the Bell Laboratory of the USA. So if you see the birth of the C language, you can say that this is one of the C was developed by Dennis Ritchie. In Bell Laboratories, right, in USA. So the popularity raised from then onwards, because many of the project has been carried out in C language. This language is developed in the year in 90s and in 1972 and early of 1980, this language was very much popular, even today also. this language was used for several project development also. Several project development, because Java language, the syntax of Java language or the structure of the, because Java C is a structured programming language. Structured programming language. Java is a structured programming language, whereas the early programming language, whereas the early languages, computer languages, early computer languages are unstructured. Unstructured, like they are basic language, even Fortran, COBOL, etc. Many such languages come up there and there. Of course, these are basically, COBOL was basically used for business purpose, business software development, and Fortran was used for scientific project development. BASIC was for basically used for academic purpose, for understanding of the computer programming. Right. So similarly, if you look into that, why is this is called? This is called, they are all called the Java family. And C++. C++, if you say that this is this language was invented. This language was invented by B. Jane Stroustrup. Actually, this language is invented by the B. Jane Stroustrup. It has the popularity. It has become famous. This became famous because of object-oriented features. Because of object-oriented features, if you see that there are different object-oriented features, like what is that? Class object, and inheritance. Okay. Encapsulation. Okay. Encapsulation. Polymorphism. Abstraction. Abstract data type. Abstract features. And many such data hiding, encapsulation and data hiding, and others, they are popular because of that. understood this language. These two languages early of 1980, this language was used for several project development. These two languages took the position in the market in software development early 1990. Okay. Now one more thing that I can say the stage for stage to state Java, I can say that this is also one of this area. Now what happened that if you see this, of course, both of C language give idea about. It gives both. It is famous. It is famous for modular programming. And if you see the stage to Java, what happened that blended features of C++ with styles elements of C language given an innovation idea to create a new language. Now we will see we have seen this is called Java lineage. Now the creation of Java. What is that? The creation of the Java here. So what has happened that Java was origin. If you see that Java was origin at the Sun Microsystem. Java was originated at the Sun Microsystem. James Gosling, if you see that, James Gosling with his research team developed this new language with the blended features of C and C++ with some extension with the new features, some extended features. That we are going to discuss here after another. If you see this creation of the so the creation of Java was originated at the Sun Microsystem. James Gosling with his research team developed this new language with the blended features of C and C++ with some more extended features. That we will look here. What is that? Multi-threading and all. That I am coming back to that point. The creation of the Java. In the 1991, this project was carried out by Gosling Group and around 18 months took to develop this Java language. And named Oak. Later, this language was named as Java. Named as Java. In the year 1995, Java language was became public. Became public. Initially, we will continue with this as many other points on that. Initially, Java was made for develop, made for develop software for consumer electronics like micro oven, remote control, and purpose for communication among embedded device. Okay. Now, among embedded devices, electronic devices, Java lineage. Java lineage means it is a family, and Genesis means it is origin, or we can say the history of that. Later stage, Java was used for many application, many project, many types of project development. Okay, many type of project development. The application areas mobile application, game design, mobile application, game design, embedded application, web development, web application, and there are many more areas. Big data analysis, and etc. Large, medium, project development, and Windows application, that is called Windows programming. Don't write this point here. Write here Windows programming. and many more applications, etc. Now, we have discussed this is called the creation of the Java. Now, we will see Java bytecode, some of the concept of the and at the genesis of we are talking the genesis of Java. Continue. Okay. So here Java bytecode. You must have good knowledge on Java bytecode also. What is that Java bytecode? Java became popular because of secure and portable. That is, here Java do not create the machine executable code in a single hand. It first yield bytecode when compiled. These codes is independent, or this code independent and can run this bytecode which I discuss here, whether it is a Mac OS JVM, whether it is a Unix OS JVM, whether it is a Windows JVM. Run in any machine. These are called the machine here. Without any error, any error. any machine without any error. That is the miracle. That's why we have a slogan, right once, run we have a concept called, that is called, what is that concept here? Write once, run anywhere. Write once and run it anywhere. Right? This is one of the slogan. That is the charm of, the beauty of. This is the beauty of the Java programming language. Java bytecode can be run in an interpreted Java provides a JVM Java virtual machine and Java runtime environment, Java runtime environment to run the bytecode in the core of JVM. So, but one of the things is that JVM will be different for different machines. Whether it is a Macintosh machines or it is a Unix machine or Windows machines, the JVM will be vary. That is what is the concept of the bytecode. Now, we can go to this is the bytecode concept here. Now, the features of Java, why it became popular. We'll see the features of the Java.